Hey, so my name is Allison. Today we are going to start doing some crochet projects for my shop. I'm gonna make a stress blob and it's a pig, so we're gonna do that. I'm thinking of doing like a mystery pack where I'll have like a frog and maybe a pig and a few others. It's a mystery on which one you'll get. So anyways, let's start. I'm almost done. I think I have like 5-ish rows left. It's giving that one like weird looking fish currently. Now of course I have to do the snout first, but yeah, it's giving that weird awkward like fish. It's going really pretty fast though. I think it's about 20 minutes that I've done it, and it's really soft and I love that. It's time to start stuffing. So here's my pig. It's beautiful. I kind of think the tail's at a weird spot because it's like at the head on the iPhone pattern. So now it's time to do the little snout. So let's do that. I'm supposed to do it in a different shade of pink. Plot twist, I don't have fuzzy one, I don't think. So I put the eyes on wrong. They're supposed to be here. I just looked at the photo of literally what it's supposed to look like, so that's really cool. I'm so glad I sewed it up. So that's why the tail looks weird. It's because it's literally supposed to be like that. Double check the instructions before finishing. Okay, so I'm thinking of like cutting these out and then maybe just sewing eyes on. We're gonna try that. I don't think it will work, but might as well try. We don't know if we don't try. So I was able to get the awkward little eyes, literally that was on the back, out, which honestly is a good thing because I realized I used too small of the eyes. However, the eyes that I added now are like not attached because I sewed it up already. I did the snout, and like I said, I did not have any pink, so I did this like burnt orange type of thing. I don't think you're ready for it. It looks so bad. It literally looks like that character from Monsters Inc. that got the lips sucked. Here's a side-by-side view. So anyways, this one I will not be doing on my shop, obviously. We're going to experiment with maybe some other yarn that matches better and looks more like a pig rather than like a Jigglypuff with burnt lips. This did not work, but we'll try again. That's okay. If you ever wonder why it takes so long sometimes for me to get stuff up, because this happens all the time. Determined that I do not have the right pig color for soft yarn, and I wanted it all to be soft yarn, so I'm gonna do the frog because I do have frog color. So let's start the frog. This is the progress that I have done for my frog. The eyes are going to be, I believe, around here or so. I don't know. I'll double check with the photo, but we're still crocheting, so let's keep going into it. We still have, I think, a while to go. But did the frog. Here it is in all of its beautifulness. I am really happy with it. I think it turned out really nice. am ready for bed, but I'm still wanting to crochet. So we're gonna do white and pink, or pink and white bunny. I'm still very proud of my little frog. Pig, we're not going there. Okay, it's gonna be like a little face, squishy, with ears, because it's a bunny. The pattern is for a white bunny with pink little ears, so I think we'll go that way, but I can always do the other way some other time. Also, I spilt water, if you're wondering. I spill a lot, so there's that. I'm gonna be listening to my music because I can't sit alone with these thoughts. No, I'm kidding. I just like music, so don't mind me. Enjoy the royalty-free music. It's looking like a bunny. The pink part, I'm guessing you'll add separately. It's so, I just burped. It's so cute. I'm gonna continue. I'm only on row 6 out of 12, no, 14. So not as bad as I thought. Also, I don't know if there is pink. No, they used blush for the pink. Okay, well that's fine. I have blush over here. Well, eyeshadow. We're gonna get back. Plot twist, my SD card ran out of space, but we're back, we're good. It's a little bunny. And now I'm working on a chicken, and I am doing it this color, which is a random snout one. I mean, why can't a chicken be this color, you know? I'm the one creating it. What the heck? This one, honestly, probably my favorite right now. But like, I love my frog, both of them. They're beautiful. But this one's just so cute. Look how cute it is. So we're gonna do a chicken. Look at all those chickens. I'm on row 3, I think. Just starting row 3. Yes. I am currently on row 11 out of 13. It's not giving chicken yet, but I'm sure it will soon. It's giving egg, which, you know, I keep on yawning because it is 1:47 a.m. I am very tired because I've done a lot of work and I took melatonin. But I'm determined to finish my chicken. That looks like an egg currently. I have 3 more rows. I get to stop. Oh poop. No, because I got the comb and the wings to do too. I gotta do the beak. We're gonna still finish it. So I'm still having trouble figuring out how the heck this is gonna look like a chicken, but I am following the directions. Granted, I am very tired, so you know there's that, but I literally, how is this gonna look like a chicken? Apparently that's the tail, and you're supposed to like fold it. That's giving a fish, not a chicken. I know I have to do the wings though, but I don't know, bestie. It's not looking like one, but I trust the process. Only 2:22 a.m. My battery is dying. I'm sewing in the last little wing and then we're done with the chicken. So I'm going to hurry up because I don't want the battery to die, and I'll show you it. Update. I think it looks like a chicken. Possibly. This is, you know, the little tail. I got 3 out of 4 done, which I am proud of. So we got the froggy, the bunny, and the chicken. We will get another one done tomorrow. It's the next day. I've decided that we're going to do a teddy bear head. I haven't decided what yarn yet. I do have a purple, but it is thicker than the ones that I've used prior. So I don't know exactly what color I'm gonna go for. The best bet I'll probably do is the one that's like the same size and it's super soft and it's multicolored. I think that'd be kind of cool. I am currently behind on the challenge. season 40. I'm literally watching the first episode right now. I'm gonna be watching that and crocheting at the same time. So this is the yarn that I'm gonna be using. It's like different colors of pink. I took a shower, I have wet hair, but I finished my friend. I think, honestly, probably one of my favorites. Like, I think it is so cute, the little bear, and it's squishy. Let me round up the whole gang. Gang is all here. I love them so much. Let me know which one your favorite is. So first up, we got the cute little frog. Love the frog. The bun. This one, I love how soft it is. It is so, like, just to rub it on my face. I love it. We got the chicken. That one, you really have to trust the process on it, but then it does. It works out. And then, of course, my bear. These are the friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other video suggestions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.